just gonna enjoy. Like my sleep was so sweet. Madhurua Cafe. Phuket, Thailand. Woo! Good afternoon, guys. I'm talking to you from Phuket, Thailand. Woo! We arrived here last night, like really late. Our flight was at 10:40, but got delayed by maybe like half an hour. So by the time we arrived, it was past midnight. By the time we got to our accommodation, it was like half 1 a.m. So literally just showered, did a teeny bit of unpacking and went to bed. And now we're out just exploring our vicinity. First time actually vlogging in a 7-Eleven, but we've been to a good few, so the novelty has kind of worn off for me. So it's a few hours later, around 8 p.m. and we've just showered and gotten ready to head out to, what's it called again? Bangla Road and the Bangla night market. There's no agenda. We don't know what we're gonna experience there. We don't have a place we're like actually going to. We're just gonna walk around, have a look, hopefully find some nice food, some nice cheap food. But I'll show you guys like what the vibe is like once we get there.
Caméra. Hein? D'accord. Les caméras comme ça.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day after we went to Bangla Road. I didn't really talk during that part of the vlog because, guys, I was so overstimulated being on that street. It was so busy, loads of people, lots of tourists, lots of locals trying to sell you anything and everything. I'm not even going to elaborate on that point. If you've been to Thailand, been to Phuket, been to Bangla Road in particular, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Some things that they're selling on that road are not befitting for a child of God like myself. Today we are going to a cafe. It is called a blanket and a pillow cafe, I believe. And then we're also going to a beach. We're thinking of checking out Freedom Beach, and then maybe tonight we might go for a little date night dinner as well. Wearing this crop top from Zara, these trousers from Shein, and I'm just gonna wear my black sandals as usual. Wearing my bikini underneath if I do decide to enter the water, which is really 50-50 at the moment, but just in case. If you've not subscribed to my channel, like honestly, what are you doing? Please do subscribe, share this video, turn on your post notifications so when I post you get to know straight away. And you know, let's continue this journey together. Do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been thinking. He's hoping for the best. Made it to our first stop of the day. We are at a blanket and a pillow cafe. We actually just finished having food. I completely forgot to vlog it because I'm not eating today. Like, I was starving. Yeah, this place is really chill, very relaxed, like families, couples. Everyone's a tourist though. Like, there's no locals here. Really great view. I think we're gonna go down to like the lower levels because there's a swing there and probably like you're a bit closer to the water. so we can take some pictures down there as well. Both of us spent, like together, we spent just over 15 euro. I got fried rice, Bay got pad thai, and then I got my soda and he got an iced coffee. So wasn't that much, but we've been to more affordable places, or we've had the same sort of food for takeaway and it's been significantly cheaper. I'm gonna enjoy the breeze, the views, take some more pictures, and then catch up with you maybe when we're leaving. I am talking to y'all from G Beach Club. Coming to 4 o'clock, so we're actually here quite late. I'm gonna flip my camera now and show you guys what my view is looking like. And yeah, guys, that is the vibe. I will update you when there's something to update on. Vlog. It's currently like 10 minutes to 7 o'clock in the evening. I think I mentioned to you guys that we're going to potentially do like a fancy-ish date night. So we tried to get a taxi outside of the place we were at to go back to our apartment, but we had no luck. There was literally like no taxis. So while kind of walking around, we saw this place, which is called Espera, I think. It's like a Thai/Indian restaurant. An amazing view, which I've showed you guys already. Like, it's absolutely breathtaking. It's like looking over at the water and then the islands on the other side. It's so beautiful. So we decided that we're gonna make this our date night since we're struggling to get our car home and it's already dinner time. So since we're here, we might as well make the most of it. And then after that, we hopefully, fingers crossed, have better luck at getting a taxi home. Good morning, guys. So today we're up bright and early. We're going to be making our way to Madobua Cafe. It's the place with the really famous like drone photo shoot with the lily pads. Don't know if you guys have seen or heard of that before, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. I feel like my hair didn't turn out great. Like this side looks good and then this side's a little bit not as defined, but we just have to make it work. So yeah. It's been raining since we got here. It's pretty heavy and I don't even know if it looks like it's gonna stop. Like, the good thing is they said that if it gets to my photo shoot time and it's still raining, they're gonna give me a refund. It's just like 20 past 10 and my photo shoot is meant to be at 12:50, so over 2 hours to go. Just move seats now. I'm not doing the photo shoot anymore. It was like raining for most of the time, so they kind of pushed back the start time of the photo shoots. Obviously there was a queue and I was like waiting for my turn. However, like I thought it was my turn, but it was actually somebody else's. And then it started raining again, so that person didn't get to go, and now I just feel like it's not worth it anymore since I got some really nice pictures anyways, like with the lily pad showing, and I just don't want to spend my whole day here, especially because there is a weather warning today. And the people who I paid for the photo shoot actually did tell me that, yeah, like they checked and there's meant to be more rain coming, so there's actually no guarantee that me waiting longer will actually mean that my photo shoot's gonna go ahead. You me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be fly, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids. Good morning, guys. I am just catching some air on the balcony. Today is Tuesday, the 25th of February. Yesterday's when we went to that Madobua Cafe where I was meant to do the drone photo shoot, but I didn't get to do it. I just binge watched like 2 old Nollywood movies and know, we had dinner. Then I had to get ready for this morning because we are going to see some elephants today, and it's a very early pickup time, so I just had to make sure my bag was packed yesterday, and that way this morning could go as smooth as possible. I am so tired, guys. Like, my sleep was so sweet, but obviously it has to be cut short, even though I actually went to bed before midnight, which is very good for me on this trip.
Don't be so childish.
We are back from the elephant sanctuary. Sanctuary that we went to is called the Green Elephant Sanctuary Park, Phuket. It is one of the more ethical elephant sanctuaries in the area from what I know. There's not excessive amounts of contact allowed, so you're only allowed to touch the elephants on their sides. No touching them on their face, on their back, on their trunks. Also no riding of elephants. No aggressive behavior around elephants. So it was a really cool experience. We were there from about 8 o'clock until like 10:30. We started by being educated a little bit about the establishment, I guess. We're back at our accommodation now, and we just decided to chill by the pool for a little bit because it's empty for like the first time ever since we've been here. Probably gonna end up taking a nap when we go upstairs because I can barely keep my eyes open.
Tell me what you heard. Tell me what you do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
Today is the 26th of February, and we are in Old Town Phuket. We just finished having brunch or lunch at this really nice halal restaurant. The menu was incredibly affordable, probably the best we've had, like really good, and we're thinking we might even come back tomorrow.
She see money, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No.
Guys, you know you better watch out. There's some girls around me about some girls around me. That thing. Oh, been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, but way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping.
Good morning, guys. It is the 27th of February. Just left the apartment we were at, and we've checked into this resort, which we're going to be at for the next 2 nights. So hot today, guys. Just walking around to see what the grounds are like. Just taking in the surroundings. Not really surroundings, actually. Just walking around the resort, basically, to see what it's like.
Thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw me feeling. It's this one thing you did. Oh, this one thing that caught me slipping.
I'm gonna include like clips of this place on my socials and stuff because it does look nice from certain angles, but I don't even think I'm gonna put the name or anything because I would not really recommend. It's not giving 5-star at all. There's so many bugs, insects, ants, all of that in our room. Even like in the restaurant where we had food, there was so many ants everywhere, like all around the buffet setup, and the food was terrible. Like, not really impressed, but thankfully we only have one night left here. But like on the plus side, our room is very spacious, very nice. The bed is super comfortable. The shower is very nice. I had a really good night's sleep, so yeah, I really like the space, but I just feel like the maintenance of it when it comes to the insects, especially given the type of environment we're in, should be better. Today's gonna be a pretty chill day here. I'm honestly just looking to relax. He finished work yesterday. It was his last day working. So he's officially on his career break now, fully get into it. And we're not limited to only going out in the first part of the day. So I'm really, really happy about that.
This one thing I want to admit it. This one thing and I was so with it. This one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well.
I hope you guys can hear me because there's like music playing and it's quite loud. But yeah, it's our last night here. So we're just out for a drink before we head back to our room to pack. It is the 1st of March today, and we are checking out of this resort that we're at. Just heading to the lobby now to wait for our transfer to our next accommodation. We're staying in Thailand, but heading to another city today. So this is where I'm going to end the Phuket vlog because it's a wrap, guys. We're leaving. Let me know what you think the next location is going to be. Drop your guesses in the comment section down below. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Phuket vlog, guys. It's been really fun. It's been quite an adventure. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we got up to. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Go back and watch my previous vlogs. So my Bangkok vlog, my travel prep vlog. Make sure you're all caught up and up to date on where we are. So please do share this video with anyone who you think will find it interesting. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Just wanna know, is you my friend?